Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK470. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, remove this dongle from the keyboard insides. Now, connect this dongle to your USB port in PC. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.